Okay, moving on to 7.4, I think. Greatest common factors. Greatest common factor is the term that can be divided into two other terms. So, if you remember greatest common factor from pre-algebra, it's something like, what's their example? I'm not going to try to come up with something on my own. It's silly. 36 and 54. They give you two numbers, and they ask you which number is the biggest number that can go into both of them. And for them, it's 18. 18 goes into 36 twice. It goes into 54 three times. So 18 is the greatest common factor of these two numbers, right? So next, they complicate it by um, asking you what's the greatest common factor between 6x cubed and 4x squared. And the way you do that is you break it down. So you break down this 6 into its constituent numbers or component numbers, 2 times 3, and then x times x times x. All 5 of those things multiplied together become 6x cubed. And then 4 is 2 times 2 times x times x. So we've got this 2 is common between them. There's nothing common there. This x is common. A second x is common. The third x is not common. So we stop right there. 2x squared. That doesn't look like a 2 at all. It looks like a backwards C. There, 2x squared. Okay. Three a squared plus 3a plus 6. Find the greatest common factor for these three terms. The a isn't going to work because there's no a in this one. So it's got to just be the numbers. So between 3, 3, and 6, what's the greatest common factor? It's 3. That was actually surprisingly easy. Let me read up on the next one.